In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the now playing on your Discord profile. So yeah, let's get started right away. So first of all, you want to go to the user settings and then go to game activity right there. And currently these are some games I already have on my on this list. And what you want to do is you want to, where it says not seeing your game added, you want to click on that and you want to add a game you have now opened. You can even add Google Chrome if you want to when you use it, or Spotify. So let's say I would add Spotify and then click on add game, and then I can change the name. So I can even, let's say when I have Spotify open, I want to have it named like listening to music, for example. You can do it like that. So when you go back to a server, for example, you should be able to see playing listening to music right there. So this is just a quick example you can do with anything you want. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.